This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include alloy wheels, dual power seats, cruise control, running boards, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 39,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Allen Samuels Dodge Hyundai is located at 7740 Northeast Loop 820 in Fort Worth. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.